Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be like with no...
We're staying at Ryden's, just kind of boondocking in their parking lot. Actually, it's $10.
My wife did say boondocking, but technically we weren't. We had electric and water at our site, all included for the $10. We had actually planned to stay for just a couple of days, but ended up staying 2 weeks because we love this area so much.
Okay, so we're going to show you in just a second where our campsite is. Now, there's a reason why we parked there. You may be thinking, well, you're losing a lot of the view. But on the reviews that we heard about when we saw this campground, it said park closest to the building. It's the place where you can get Wi-Fi. We've been happy with the Wi-Fi. So that's the reason why.
Right, and Wi-Fi is important to us just because we've got to upload these videos and stuff. So we don't watch like a ton of movies or anything like that on Wi-Fi, but we do need it for our channel. So this has been perfect. You can see us back here. We're right next to the building. And the nice thing too is that it provides a ton of shade for a lot of the day.
Yeah, especially in the morning.
Yeah, so that was a little bonus feature.
Next, a half-mile hike to the state park.
But we gotta hurry because the rain's coming in and we are going for an epic hike this morning before the rain comes in. So tell them where we're going.
We're going to Grand Portage State Park to see the highest falls in Minnesota.
Yeah, look, I'm bouncing. We'll get this down nice and smooth one of these days. But yeah, we're about to show you some really epic falls. So here we go, hike with us.
Right, I just wanted to show you some of the drone footage that we had from our campground. As we look down the road towards the Canadian border, you can see the cones in place as you approach the actual border station. Just before you get there is the entrance to Grand Portage State Park. It was a wonderful time and we highly recommend it.